Are you blowing kisses?
Yeah. No,
We're in the sunflower fields and the flower fields. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go through some fall smells for your house. So all cleaning supplies, all candles. I don't have many candles, but I have some Febreze, and then I also got hooked on TikTok advertisement for the Grove monthly subscription. So I'm gonna open that with you guys today. So here we go. What fall smells should we do? Pine or apple? I don't think I'm gonna do cinnamon this time. I think I might do pine. Let's see. I'm not gonna do vanilla. They have vanilla. Ooh, they do have pumpkin. I wonder what the pumpkin smells like. Let me see. I did not mean to make that big mess. Oh, the pumpkin smells good. Do you think I can mix pumpkin and pine? Would that smell good? See, they also have cranberry, but I couldn't make a decision. So I'm getting one of each. But the 2-pack for $4.94, great idea. Great price, great price. But typically I order these two are my favorite. This one, my all-time favorite. Oh, I wonder if they have the plugins in that smell. Let's see. No. Oh, they do. Oh, they have the plug-in in that smell. I'm gonna have to get this one now too. They had this brand, Myers and Pumpkin. They don't have it here at Walmart. So I'll keep looking because that would be perfect. That would be perfect. What is that? Regular. Oh, I wonder if they have pumpkin smelling Clorox wipes. That would be amazing. Nope, still summer smells. Plant-based, yeah. They have Peppa Pig cereal. Yeah, they have Peppa Pig. And look at all the fall color flavors. Pumpkin spice. Oh my gosh. I'm doing low carb, but when I wasn't, that was my favorite. That was my favorite. Get that one if you like pumpkin and Cheerios. Yeah, Peppa Pig. I wonder, does it have a special flavor? Frosted pink. So maybe it's just regular flavor. Yes? You want Paw Patrol? No, you want Peppa Pig? Because I don't think you're going to like these shreds. Auntie's calling you. So, my first collection I got just from Walmart. And I think I have a clip in there on me trying out which one was the best. And these were my favorite. One, pumpkin. Pumpkin's essential for fall. Smells so good. So I can't wait to use this one. And then this was really good. The pine. It's along the lines of something I really love. And so I also got it in the plug-in. The Febreze plug-in pine. And then I got 2 of the pine and for small spaces. These are really good. So I'm going to find a spot for these. And I think that's about it. So that's about it for the Febreze. I do have some Glade candles as well that are, what is it? Oh, I wish I would have bought them with me. Oh, okay, so I can't figure out the name of the Glade candle right now, but I'll link it below or I'll insert a picture. It smells so good. It smells so good. They're not as good as the Bath & Body Works candles. They are still #1 between Bath & Body Works and White Barn, because that smell just carries for a long time and it's really potent. And I didn't get a chance this year to buy any Bath and Body Works fall candles because I have a large candle collection. There's no need to buy any more candles, but I was out of Febreze, so I did get these. And then I have the plug-in, and the small spaces is now my favorite, especially when you have company. You just stick them somewhere where your company sits and they can smell it. This isn't going to make, like it says, it's for small spaces, so for your bathroom it would probably be a good idea. But if you want to carry the smell somewhere else that's in a larger place, just put it like at the floor of like underneath a table or something like that, where you can still smell it but not really see it. So these are really good. So now I'm gonna move on to the Grove collection. Like I said, I was scrolling through TikTok and I found this commercial, and it was only, I think it was only $20. They were like, you get this huge free $35 or more worth of free product if you buy the $20 product, $20 or more product. And so I've been looking for the Myers fall collection at Target, and they did not have it. It was out of stock. But after I already signed up for the Grove collection subscription, they stocked up in Target, and I think I have a clip of that as well. The fall smells, I did not see this the last time I was here. They have the pear, apple cider, mum, and the acorn spice, which I already ordered online, and now they have it in stock in the store. So let's open up Grove for the first time. So it came in this huge box. I don't even know if you guys can see it. And the shipping was so fast. The shipping, I think, came in 2 days, because I literally purchased it and it was at my door randomly. I didn't even get an email that it was on its way, or that I can remember, because I wasn't expecting it for maybe a week or two, but this came so fast. Maybe they got it delivered by Amazon or something. But let's take a look at what's inside first. Okay, so this is how the box comes. It had all of this paper inside. I just took some of it out. And so this, I think, is the free box. We'll go over what the free box is. So let me take this out more. Yeah, these are some of the free products. So you get this pail for free. I'll get a little bit more up close, and then some sponges and these oils. So that's part of the free deal. And then these are the items that I picked out. The one that I really wanted to try, let's just sit down and talk about it. Okay, here is the bucket that came for free. This, it says Grove Co. You can choose between, I think, black, white, and maybe a gray. This is usually the type of bucket you would use if you want to gather all your cleaning supplies from underneath the sink and carry it with you. So that's adorable. It comes with sponges. This is walnut and cellulose sponge, soft to the touch. And then they have a hand sanitizer, lavender scent. So we'll see what that's like. Whew. Strong at first. It smells really good. It feels good. And it says moisturizing with coconut oil. So we'll see how that moisturizes. This is Clean the Air. So this is before you go spray. This is, I think this might be a bathroom spray. Okay, this says, please shake before you use. Spray 3 to 5 times into the toilet bowl. So this is when you have to go to the bathroom. Let's see what this smells like. It smells okay. They have different options of which smell you want to use. It doesn't really smell the best. It just smells like coconut, but like a artificial coconut. But it may not be artificial, because I know a lot of things they use, they try to be careful of that. So that's about it for that. Let me show you some of the things I really, really wanted and that I picked out myself. They didn't have all the smells I wanted, but I tried to stick with most of the fall smells. So apple cider. I can't wait to try to use this to see what it smells like. Oh, that smells good. It smells just like apple cider. A lot more apple than cider. Smells pretty good. The next one is a, let's see, and this one is a multi-surface cleanser. Removes dirt and freshens surfaces. Freshens surfaces. And then they have the hand soap made with olive oil and aloe, and this is acorn spice. I did smell this one in Target. It smells pretty good. Let me see. It smells very clean and spices, so very, very good. That's all I have as far as the fall smells. But what else I got was handcrafted soap bar peppermint. So that's fun. There's a toilet bowl cleaner, just the antibacterial by Method, which I do use a lot. I use that brand a lot. This is my all-time favorite. I usually get from, what's that store called? I usually always get this one from Whole Foods. And this one is safe for, you can use it on high chairs, doorknobs, garbage cans, kitchen surfaces, countertops. So I use this a lot to cleanse a lot of things that my kid uses for her eating area. And this is antibacterial. I love the smell of it. You can use it two different ways. I think you can spray and wipe, or you can spray and let it sit for more disinfectant. I think for like a few minutes and then wipe. You can use it with water. Myers, this is pear tree. This is another one of their fall smells. Pear tree, I'm sure that smells pretty good. And this is dish soap. It smells pretty good. I usually like to stick to a antibacterial dish soap for my dishes. But this is biodegradable formula and cuts on grease. So let's see. We'll see how that works. But that smells really good. And last but not least, I have cleaning wipes. I don't know. Oh, it's unscented. So it's unscented. This is fun. So we'll see how the cleaning wipes works. I wonder if I can use it in conjunction with a cleaning spray. Maybe too much, but it has bamboo. It's used with bamboo, so that's nice. So for fall, if you use the home smells like your plugins, the small spaces, your Febreze, as well as using the fall scents for cleaning, your house is going to smell like fall. I mean, you can use the potpourri, you can use the cinnamon sticks, anything like that that keeps the fall smell throughout the house. But this year, I haven't tried to actually change the smell of my cleaning products. So I'm sure that adding cleaning products to your general smells like Febreze and candles will give it a nice touch and keep the fall smells lingering through the house. So I think that's going to be really fun. And that's all I have for now. And see you guys next time. Bye.